Dovetail joints are beautiful and can add an exquisite and premium look to a finished workpiece, but they're very time-consuming to cut manually and require a high degree of precision. Dovetail jigs make these joints significantly easier and more manageable, and they allow even novice woodworkers to produce professional-looking pieces. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best dovetail jigs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Porter Cable 4210 Dovetail Jig. Porter Cable is renowned for crafting top-notch tools that are not only sturdy but also perform exceptionally well. We were delighted to discover that their Dovetail Jig lived up to our high standards. Constructed entirely from heavy-duty metal, this jig promises durability, ensuring it can handle numerous projects and endure the rigors of a busy workshop. What's more, Porter Cable stands firmly behind their product with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, coupled with a year of complimentary service and a 3-year limited warranty. This comprehensive coverage offers peace of mind, allowing you ample time to assess its suitability, ensuring smooth functionality, and providing support for any issues that may arise. Weighing a substantial 25 pounds, this jig may pose a challenge when moving it around your workspace. However, its robust clamps ensure secure attachment to your workbench, lending stability and confidence to your cutting tasks. These clamps hold your workpiece firmly in place, offering reliability throughout your projects. Number 2. General Tools 861 Portable Aluminum Dovetail Jig. General Tools specializes in crafting budget-friendly tools, making this dovetail jig an ideal choice for beginners and woodworking enthusiasts seeking affordability without compromising on quality. Constructed from aluminum, it strikes a balance between durability and lightweight design, tipping the scales at just 2.94 pounds. Its manageable weight facilitates easy relocation across various work surfaces and enhances maneuverability, particularly when utilized on a router table. While it can be attached to a work table, we found the clamp to lack the necessary security for confident routing. Therefore, we recommend clamping it directly to your workpiece and employing it on a router table for optimal stability and precision. Featuring open ends, it accommodates boards of any width. However, precise adjustment is required to seamlessly continue cutting dovetails once reaching the jig's end. Number 3. Woodstock D2796 12-inch Dovetail Jig. Woodstock International has a solid track record of producing tools tailored for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers, boasting over 15 years of industry experience. This wealth of knowledge is evident in their Dovetail Jig, which stands out as one of the most user-friendly options available. Crafted from a combination of steel and aluminum, this jig is built to last, promising durability to withstand years of use and numerous projects. However, its heavy-duty construction does contribute to its bulkiness, weighing in at 20 pounds, which may pose challenges when maneuvering around your workshop. One standout feature of this jig is its clamping mechanism, utilizing easily adjustable knobs and a locking lever. This design allows for quick and hassle-free adjustments to accommodate different workbenches and stock sizes, ensuring a secure hold throughout your cutting tasks. With a generous capacity, the jig can accommodate workpieces up to 12 wide and 1 1/4 thick, making it suitable for a wide range of dovetail joinery projects. Number 4. Ley RTJ400 Router Table Joinery Jig. The Ley RTJ400, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum using CNC machining, enables swift and precise routing of through dovetails, box joints, and half-blind dovetails with just a router table. Measuring at 16 inches, this jig offers remarkable adaptability. With the Ley RTJ400, you can effortlessly create 5 different sizes of through dovetails at 2 pitch settings, 3 sizes of single-pass half-blind dovetails, and 4 box joint settings. Its innovative elliptical guide bushing by Ley ensures consistent and accurate joint fits every time. It's worth noting, as mentioned by one buyer, that the Ley RTJ400 requires a router table with a counterbore insert ring compatible with Ley's e-bush router bushing. Despite this requirement, The same buyer noted the jig's exceptional accuracy once properly adjusted, describing it as incredibly accurate when fine-tuning for perfection. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.